Hi dear students, welcome to this Ayushi online classes. I am Anita here. In our previous video we have learned similarity and congruent. Today we are going to learn Thales theorem, that also we can say basic proportionality theorem. Let's see. Thales theorem, also we can say here basic proportionality theorem. Statement given: if a line is drawn parallel to one side of a triangle to intersect other two sides in a distinct point. I will draw here one triangle A, B, C. Line drawn parallel to this BC. And the other two sides are divided in the same ratio. Given what given here? ABC is a triangle and this D is parallel to BC. To prove, what we have to prove here? To prove AD divided by DB is equal to AE divided by EC. Construction. Join BE and DC. This we have to join and draw DM perpendicular to AC and EL perpendicular to AB on perpendicular line. This is L and this one M. Yes. Next, I will draw this. What we need here? First one, AD. So which triangle we have to take? ADE. Proof. Area of triangle ADE. Area of triangle formula we know 1/2 base into height. Here base is what we need, that only we have to write here. Base is AD and height is EL. Next what we need? DB. Area of triangle DB is same formula 1/2 into B into H. Here base is DB. Height we have to take same EL. Why here? See, if we extend this line here and if we drawn one line to this point, means this is height, no? This is height of this BD. Height of this BD. So, we can take EL here. Now, area of triangle ADE divided by area triangle DBE is equal to, directly I will divide here 1/2 into AD into EL divided by 1/2 into DB into EL. This get cancelled. We got here AD divided by DB. Yes, I will write here. We want that afterwards. Area of triangle ADE divided by area of triangle DBE is equal to AD divided by DB. This is equation 1. Next, what we want? AE. Area of triangle ADE, same. We know that 1/2 B into H. So 1/2 base is AE and height is here d. Divide. Next one. Next, what do you want? Area of. We want EC. So I will take here BCE. Triangle BCE is equal to height into base 1/2. Here I will take EC into, here also same height I will take DM, because if we extend this line, if we extend EC line and if we drawn to here, up to here, this is height of this triangle. So we got this. Now divide. Area of triangle ADE divided by area of triangle BCE is equal to this one get cancelled. We got here AE divided by EC, this equation 2. I will write here area of triangle ADE divided by area of triangle BCE. BCE is equal to AE divided by EC. This is equation 2. We know that see, angle this triangle DBE and triangle BEC on same base and between parallel lines, between two parallel lines. If the two angles in between parallel lines and on same base, then area of these triangles are equal. So we can write here triangle area of triangle DBE is equal to area of triangle BEC. So from equation 3, equation 2 and 3, I will change this BEC, I will write here DBE. So area of triangle ADE divided by area of triangle, instead of this I will write triangle DBE is equal to AE divided by EC, equation 4. Now from equation 1 and 4 we get AD divided by DB is equal to AE divided by EC. This is our proof of this theorem. This theorem is very important. If you like this, please share and subscribe.